Today I am going to solve word problem from chapter linear equation in two variables. Question number 1. 5 chairs and 4 tables together cost rupees 5600 and 4 chairs and 3 tables together cost rupees 4340. Find the cost of a chair and that of a table. Let the cost of one chair be X and the cost of one table be Y. Then 5 chair cost 5x and 4 table cost 4y. So 5x plus 4y equal to together cost equal to 5600. This is one number equation. And 4 chairs and 3 table together cost. 4 chair means 4x plus 3 tables means 3y. Together cost is 4340. This is second number equation. Now we can eliminate y variable. If we want to eliminate y variable, then one number equation multiply by 3 and two number equation multiply by 4. Multiplying one number by 3 and two number by 4. Then what will we get? 3 5 ja 15x plus 12y equal to 16800. And second equation, from second equation 16x plus 12y equal to 17360. Now subtract it. Change the sign. 12y cancel, minus x equal to 560 minus cancel, therefore x equal to 560 rupees. Now put the value of x in one number equation. So one number equation is 5x plus 4y equal to 5600. Then 5 into 560 plus 4y equal to 5600. Then multiply 5 into 560. 2800 plus 4y equal to 5600. Then 4y equal to 5600 minus 2800. Therefore y equal to 2800 by 4. 4 7 ja 28 and 00. Therefore y equal to 700 rupees. So answer is the cost of one chair equal to 560 rupees and the cost of one table equal to 700 rupees. This is the answer. The cost of one chair 560 rupees and cost of one table 700 rupees. Now come to the next math. 3 number. A lady has only 25 paisa and 50 paisa coin in her purse. If she has 50 paisa coins in all totaling 19.50, how many coins of each kind does she have? Let the number of 25 paisa be x and the number of 50 paisa be y. So first condition is lady has 25 paisa and 50 paisa coins in her purse. She has total 50 coins. Therefore, x plus y equal to 50. This is one number equation. And second equation, she has 50 paisa coins in all totaling rupees 19.50. So 25 paisa coins means x by 4 and 50 paisa coins means y by 2 equal to rupees 19.50. This is second number equation. X plus y equal to 50 and x by 4 plus y by 2 equal to rupees 19.50. Now simplify the second equation. 4 and 2, LCM of 4 and 2 is 4. Now here x plus 2 to the 4 means 2y equal to 19.50. Then cross multiply x plus 2y equal to 78.00. This is 2 number equation. If we want to eliminate x, in first number equation x plus y equal to 50 and in second number equation x plus 2y equal to 78. If we want to eliminate x, then both equation number 1 and equation number 2, both equation multiply by 1. Because in here first number equation there is no coefficient of x, means 1x, and also second number equation there is no coefficient of x, means 1x. So x plus y equal to 50 and x plus 2y equal to 78. We have to subtract it. Sign change, minus, minus, minus. X cancel. Y minus 2y means minus y equal to minus 28. So y equal to 28. Then put the value of y. Put the value of y in one number equation. One number equation. Our one number equation is x plus y equal to 50. So x plus 28 equal to 50. Then x equal to 50 minus 28. Then x equal to 22. So answer is therefore the number of 50 paisa, number of 25 paisa coin equal to 22 because x equal to 22, and the number of 50 paisa coin equal to 28. Sum of 22 and 28 equal to 50. Number of 25 paisa coin 22 and number of 50 paisa coin 28. It is already given. She has 50 coins, total 50 coins. So 22 and 28, total 52. Now next question. Question number 4. The sum of two number is 137. Let the larger number be x and the smaller number be y. Condition is sum of two number is 137. Then first condition, sum of two numbers means x plus y equal to 137. This is one number equation. And second equation is, second condition, their difference is 43. Difference means x minus y equal to 43. This is two number equation. Sum of two number is 137, that means x plus y equal to 137, and difference of two number means we have larger number x, then x minus y equal to 43. Adding one number equation 1 and 2. X plus y equal to 137 and x minus y equal to 43. Y cancel. 2x equal to 180. Therefore, x equal to 180 by 2. Then x equal to 90. 2x equal to 180. Then x equal to 180 by 2. X equal to 90. Then put the value of x. Put the value of x in one number equation. One number equation is x plus y equal to 137. Then 90 plus y equal to 137. Therefore, y equal to 137 minus 90. Y equal to 47. So, our larger number is, answer, the larger number is 90 and smaller number is 47. Now next math. Question number 5. Find two numbers such that sum of twice the first and thrice the second is 92. Let the first number be x and the second number be y. Then first condition is find two numbers such that sum of twice the first. Sum of twice the first means 2x. First number be x, then twice the first means 2x, and thrice the second. Thrice the second means 3y. Sum of twice the first 2x plus thrice the second means 3y equal to 92. This is one number equation. And second equation, 4 times the first exceed 7 times the second by 2. 4 times the first means 4x. Exceed 7 times the second means 7y equal to 2. This is second number equation. See the condition, twice the second, twice the first plus thrice the second equal to 92. And second condition, 4 times the first exceed means increased. 4 times the first exceed 7 times the second means 7y by 2. 4x minus 7y equal to 2. This is 2 number equation. If we want to eliminate x variable, then we multiply one number equation by 2. Here 2x and in second equation here 4x. Then 2x into 2 means 4x. So one number equation multiply by 2 and 2 number equation multiply by 1. Multiplying one number by 2 and 2 number by 1. So we get 4x plus 6y equal to 184 and 4x minus 7y equal to 2. We have to subtract it. Then change the sign. This is minus, this is plus, this is also minus. Minus 4x plus 4x cancel. 6y plus 7y. 13y equal to 182. Therefore, y equal to 182 by 13. 13 1 ja 13, 4 ja 52. Therefore, y equal to 14. Now, put the value of y. Put the value of y in one number equation. Then we will get value of x. One number equation. One number equation is 2x plus 3y equal to 92. So 2x plus 3 into 14 equal to 92. 2x plus 42 equal to 92. Again 2x equal to 92 minus 42. Therefore x equal to 50. 92 minus 42 means 50 by 2. It's 25. X equal to 25. So the first number is 25 and the second number is 14. This is the answer. Now next math. Question number 7. If 45 is subtracted from twice the greater of two number, so let the greater number be x. Greater number be x. We don't know what is greater number and what is smaller number. That's why let the greater number be x and the smaller number be y. After that, if 45 is subtracted from twice the greater of two number, 45 is subtracted twice the greater. Twice the greater means 2x, 2 times x. Then condition is 45 is subtracted from twice the greater. 2x minus 45 equal to, it result in the other number. Other number means smaller number. 2x minus 45 equal to y. This is one number equation. And second equation, if 21 is subtracted from twice the smaller, twice the smaller means 2y. Then 21 is subtracted from twice the smaller. 2y minus 21 equal to, result in greater number equal to x. This is second number equation. Then in first number equation, 2x minus 45 equal to y. Make it standard form, means 2x minus y equal to 45. And in second number equation, minus x plus y equal to 21. This is first number equation and this is second number equation. If we eliminate x, then we have to multiply second number equation by 2. Here 2x and here minus x. So multiplying one number equation by 1 and two number equation by 1 and two number equation by 2. So we get 2x minus y equal to 45 and minus 2x plus 4y equal to 42. 2x with 2x cancel, minus y, 4y, 3y equal to 5 to 7, 4 or 4, 8. 3y equal to 87. Then y equal to 87 by 3. 87 divisible by 3 equal to 29. Y equal to 29. Put the value of y. Put the value of y in one number equation. Put the value of y in one number equation. One number equation is 2x minus 45 equal to y. 2x minus 45 equal to y. Then 2x minus 45 equal to 29. After that 2x equal to 29 plus 45. Then 2x equal to 74. X equal to 74 by 2. 74 is divisible by 2. 37. X equal to 37. So greater number is 37 and smaller number equal to 29. This is the answer. Now question number 8. Three times the larger of two number, let the larger number be x and the smaller number be y. Then write the condition. 3 times the larger of two number is divided by the smaller. We get 4 as a quotient. 3 times the larger of two number is divided by the smaller number. We get 3 times the larger of two number is divided by smaller number, means 3x, 3 times the larger number divided by the smaller number means y. We get 4 as a quotient and 8 as a remainder. 8 as a remainder. 4 as a quotient and 8 as a remainder. Means if 3x divided by y, then 4 is a quotient and 8 is a remainder. Then condition is 3x equal to 4y plus 8. Why 3x equal to 4y plus 8? Because 3x is a dividend. Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This is one number equation. And second number equation, 5 times the smaller is divided by the larger. 5 times the molars. 5 times the molars means 5y. Divided by the larger means x. Then 3 as a quotient and 5 as a remainder. Again we can write 5y equal to 3x plus 5. Why 5y equal to 3x plus 5? Because 5y is the dividend, x is a divisor, 3 is a quotient and remainder is 5. Dividend equal to quotient into divisor into quotient plus remainder. This is 2 number equation. Now our first number equation, 3x minus 4y equal to 8. And second number equation, minus 3x plus 5y equal to 5. Here in first number equation coefficient of x is 3 and in second number equation coefficient x is minus 3. Just add one number and two number. Add one number and two number equation. So 3x minus 4y equal to 8 and minus 3x plus 4y equal to 5. 3x cancel, minus 4y plus 5y means y equal to 3. Y equal to 3. Put the value of y. Put the value of y in one number equation. Our one number equation is 3x equal to 4y plus 8. So 3x equal to 4 into 3 plus 8. So x equal to 3x equal to 4y plus 8. So y equal to 13. 4 into 13 plus 8. So 3x equal to 52 plus 8. Then 3x equal to 60. X equal to 60 by 3. This is 20. X equal to 20. So larger number equal to 20 and smaller number equal to 13. X equal to 20 and y equal to 13. This is the answer. Now next math. Question number 10. The difference between two number is 14. Difference between two number is 14. Let the number be x and y. So first condition is difference between two number is 14. Therefore x minus y equal to 14. This is one number equation. Difference of two number equal to 14 means x minus y equal to 14. And difference between their square means x square minus y square equal to 448. This is two number equation. Their square, number square, x square and y square. So difference between two square means x square minus y square equal to 448. Now we know that x square minus y square. This is one identification. This is one identity. X square minus y square. We can write x plus y into x minus y equal to 448. Here the value of x minus y equal to 14. So we put the value of x minus y. Put the value of x minus y, that is 14. So x plus y into 14 equal to 448. Therefore x plus y equal to 448 by 14. 448 by 14. 448 is completely divisible by 14. 32. We get x plus y equal to 32. Suppose this is 3 number equation and our first number equation is x minus y equal to 14. Now adding one number and 3 number equation. Adding one number and 3 number equation. We get 2x equal to 46. Then x equal to 46 by 2 means 23. X equal to 23. Now put the value of x. Put the value of x in one number equation. Our one number equation is x minus y equal to 14. So x equal to 23 minus y equal to 14. Therefore minus y equal to 14 minus 23. So minus y equal to minus 9. Minus minus cancel. Therefore y equal to 9. X equal to 23 and y equal to 9. Answer is numbers are 23 and 9. Now next math. Question number 11. The two-digit number of a sum of two-digit of a two-digit number is 12. Let the ones place digit one place digit be x and tens place digit be y. Therefore required number equal to tens place y. Suppose this is ones place, this is tens place. Tens place y and ones place x. So number is 10y plus x. Number is 10y plus x. Now our first condition, sum of digit of a two-digit number is 12. Sum of digit means x plus y equal to 12. This is one number equation. And second equation, the number obtained by interchanging the digit. If we interchange the digit, number obtained by interchanging the digit, interchanging the digit means ones place y and tens place x. Therefore required number equal to 10x plus y. Then condition is first number is 10y plus x. If the digit is interchange means tens place x and ones place y, then new number is 10x plus y. So condition is if the number obtained by interchanging the digit exceed the given number by 18, means 10x plus y, this is the new number, minus 10y plus x equal to 18. This is second number equation. We can simplify the second number equation. 10x plus y minus 10x minus x equal to 18. 10x minus x, 9x minus 9y equal to 18. 9 common, x minus y equal to 18. Therefore x minus y equal to 18 by 9. 9 to the 18 means x minus y equal to 2. This is 3 number equation. Now we have first number equation x plus y equal to 12 and 3 number equation x minus y equal to 2. Adding both equation, adding 1 number and 3 number. 1 number and 3 number. So first equation x plus y equal to 12 and 3 number equation x minus y equal to 2. Y cancel. 2x equal to 24. X plus y equal to 12 and x minus y equal to 2. So we have first equation x plus y equal to 12 and second equation x minus y means 10x plus y minus 10y minus x equal to 18. So 10x minus x, 9x minus 9y equal to 18. 9 common, x minus y equal to 18. Then x minus y equal to 18 by 9 means 2. So x minus y equal to 2. Then 2x equal to 14. Therefore x equal to 14 by 2 means 7. X equal to 7. Now put the value of x in one number equation. Put the value of x in one number equation. Our one number equation is x plus y equal to 12. X7 plus y equal to 12. Therefore y equal to 12 minus 7 means 5. Then required number equal to 10x plus 10y plus x. So 10 into 5 plus 7. Put the value of y and put the value of 7. 50 plus 7 means required number equal to 57. Find the number. The number is answer. The number is 57. Thank you students in this class up to this.